Folks, so they opened the show for us earlier. Here's another performance from the Ugwedi Ensemble with a Better We Go Sleep.
1, 2, 3. My name is Hector Lewis, the roots percussionist, and we are the Ugwedi Ensemble. To all who are born in the world, all the frustrations and troubles of the world, sooner or later, if we don't start sharing love with each other, we all gonna quarrel. Yeah! Every man stuck and barrel will soon start quarrel. Soon start quarrel. Every man stuck and barrel, hey, will soon start quarreling. Rough time, you just call on Jaja, yes, he will carry you through. And in this world, oh yes, is full of frustration. Oh yes, lots of frustration. So every man will soon, hey, every man will soon. Will start. All the Africans, all the Russians, everyone in the world, if we don't unite, Africa unite. Better we go sleep. Better we go sleep. Oh yes, better we go sleep. I better we go sleep. No cause your brother, I better we go sleep. I better we go sleep. Sleep for a minute, yes. Oh, yeah.